where we are approaching the last couple of awards this evening. And the next award is going in our entertainment category, the Entertainer of the Year in the category of music. This is going to go to a trio that has worked on more than 50 soundtracks by now. They began more than a decade ago. They first started to work on ad films. One of them worked notably and memorably for all of us with NDTV on the soundtrack of The World This Week. They really got their big break right in Dil Chahta Hai, and then life, of course, comes a full circle as it has, again, working very closely with Farhan this time around. They have composed perhaps the most memorable number of this entire year. The Entertainer of the Year in the category of music are
चाहता है दिल चाहता है दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन दिल चाहता
Please put your hands together for Shankar Ehsaan Loy. And to give this particular award, can I call Yuvraj Singh, Virendra Sehwag and Rahul Dravid? Could you come up and give this award? You know, your music has always warmed all of our hearts. Can you first get the award to you? I just wanted to ask you, your music's always warmed everybody's heart. This time, you always push the boundaries. What you did this year, the song like Senorita, fusion, flamenco. Is this what we're going to see a lot more of?
Well, we have to thank Zoya Akhtar for that. She's always, and she, Farhan, Excel Entertainment, they don't want anything that's normally done. And every time we work with them, it's always a new experiment. And it basically opens out the doors for us to do something newer each time. So thank you very much.
It obviously helps that the three of you fundamentally like different types of music or have your roots in different types of music.
I think we are so different as people who, our tastes in music, what we listen to, our characteristics are so different from each other. That's what, I think we look at one single song or a piece of music, it's like putting one object and having three cameras from three sides. It's like that.
Well, I have to say, I said from all of us, that the title track of The World This Week is something I think the entire country still remembers. So in a sense, long before you made it as big as you did, you were working with NDTV. Long time back.
That's true. I think Pranoy and Radhika Roy were very instrumental in putting me on the map, so to speak, and so was also Siddharth Basu. I have to acknowledge both these people, and I wouldn't be here if it was not for these three people. So
if
God
I could
bless
just
them.
ask any of you, any favorite numbers, any particular Shankar Ehsaan Loy moments that any of you want to share with us? Any of their songs which really stands out? Senorita, Dil Chahta Hai, name it.
Definitely Dil Chahta Hai and Dekho Hai Main India was one of my favorites.
I think Dil Chahta, I think for me, definitely, yeah.
So essentially, we keep coming back to that, and Ma and all the others. Is there anything you want to hum for us very quickly?
I think that's possibly the easiest thing we can do here. Making us speak is not happening. So, I don't know. I'll just sing 2 lines of a song which I feel is very appropriate. Then I'll do 2 more lines of one more song. Okay? So, so many people, they've achieved so much over here and, they've set a goal and so conquered. This is again a song from Farhan's film, which is one of our favorites. हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा तूने अब जाना है हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है, तुझे अब ये दिखाना है। रोके तुझको आंधियां या जमीन और आसमां, पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा। लक्ष्य को हर हाल में पाना है। Thank you.
But do stay on, and maybe that's actually something you could have played in the dressing room before the World Cup final.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.